What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna get ready with you. Winter, come! Winter, come! Hi guys, this is Winter, my doggy, my cute doggy, this baby bear. Please follow him on Instagram at Mr. Winter Bear, as in MR Winter Bear. I love it! We're going to the French Film Festival. We're invited by the French Embassy. Hi, Mr. Marvin Makalintal. Thank you, Jade, for connecting us. Yes. So we're going there at Green Belt 5. Since hindi available si Courtney, I'm going to do my own makeup. Woo! So, disclaimer lang, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup masyado. So, don't expect too much. Now that that's clear, I'm going to start with the things I want to have with me when I want to do my makeup. So, yan. What's very important to me is ito. Alcohol, cotton buds. By the way, for those of you who are wondering, yes, I've had my eyebrows tat at Pretty Looks. Thank you. So, pwede na ako mag-beach without makeup and wipes. Very important kapag nagkakamali. Oh! My light! Winter! Okay, we're back. I'm going to show you the stuff I have first. Syempre, I have my makeup brushes. Makeup brushes. Okay. Ayan. My makeup box. Start with this. Oh, yan. Vlogger. Origami primer. Moving on. So, ever since nag-shoot, they wanted me to use HD makeup. So, yan. Makeup forever kasi it looks more natural sa camera. Okay, now that that's done, I use this Nishido translucent powder and ivory glow fluffy brush. So, nag-aano lang ako ng konti dito kasi we don't want too much, and then I tap para maano yung excess. Okay, next. Ay! Natapon. Oh my god. Look, guys. What am I doing with my life? Oh my god. Like what I said, I need a handy mirror kasi I'm kinda bulag. Malabo mata ko, so hindi ko nakikita yung mirror ko dito. So pag nagkikilay ako, I want to look closely. So, what I do, also, eto, palang ginagamit ko. Ano bang ginagawa ko? Hindi ako effective na vlogger. Okay, so I'm using this. Anyways, yan. I use this in the shade medium brown. Yan. I use this origami brush. So, I'm very maarte with my eyebrows. So, I'm really frustrated kasi nga hindi pantay itong pagkatat sa akin. But, kada na rin. So, I start here middle, going down, outline lang, very light. And then, up, yung outline ng taas. And then, like that. You just have to know your kilay and your face. And don't be scared. And so this is where the cotton buds come in. Please give justice to your kilay.
Yes. Yes.
Alright. So, now that we're done with the brows, moving on. Dahil nga hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup, sige, let us just try. Here, I'm using my origami brush again. RM03. So, guys, I'm gonna use my contour palette. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yan. So, I like to use this shade in the middle para mas light lang. Dati, ito yung favorite ko, but I realized na it's too dark. And I want this. Oh my God! Nakalimutan ko mag-concealer. Oh my God, guys. Wala talaga akong kwenta. Okay. This MAC Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer. Actually, I just really use my hands in real life. Para nahiya ako sa inyo, guys. Pero now I'm getting impatient. So, tatapusin ko na with my hand. Talaga ang totoo. The contour. Pero first, let's bake. Okay. So, I use this shade in the middle. Kasi ito yung pinaka-less harsh. Tignan. Okay, so next, I love this blush from Origami. Maybe you're wondering, may nangyayari ba? Parang wala naman nangyayari sa mukha mo, princess. I'm actually wondering the same thing. Or is it the ring light? I don't know. Nagpa-perm rin ako kasi ng lashes. And sabi nila, oh my God, ang pula nga. Ang pula. My gosh, guys. Anong ginagawa ko sa self ko? What am I doing to myself? Sobrang pula ng blush. Pag ganyan na sobrang napulahan yung blush nyo, don't panic. It's organic. Di, joke lang. Don't panic kasi mawawala-wala rin yan maya-maya. Just brush. And then next, I curl my lashes. This is Revlon. Very basic, Maybelline. Peach palette. Base muna. It's important to put base. Put a base. So I use peaches and cream. And then puree. Dito lang. So we're almost done. Actually, I think we're done. I think this is a fail makeup tutorial. Lip balm. Galing siya sa airplane. Freebies. This is Marc Jacobs. Anyways. And the shade 216 Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. Le Marc.
Yo guys, let's be real. Nakalimutan ko mag-extra. For the mga momshies out there na nagtatanong sa akin kung paano ko ginagawa yung eyebrows ko, there you go. Good luck to you guys. And I hope may natutunan kayo sa aking very fail makeup tutorial. And I'm Princess Adriano. Adriano nga pala, guys. Kasi lagi ko nakakalimutan i-introduce sa inyo ang aking self. I'm Princess Adriana, by the way. So, you'll see more of me, 2 times a week, every Tuesdays and Saturdays. I'm going to premiere my videos every 10 p.m. Ayan. And my editor, si Hayes, and my cameraman. Yan. Siya yung nag-edit ng lahat. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe and share my video to your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.